Okay, level 14. 3 enemy bunkers. I have 3 enemy bunkers. Okay, so it's just a continuation of the. Oh, there's no gas. Wait. Why is my oh it's a bunk. Wait. I need to restart that. The bunker has um okay. Look, I took the bunker out. We're good. And I'm gonna wait till this gas attack passes because I don't want my men to just die right now. Let's give it a second. Oh, does the gas come from this guy? Oh, I see. I never realized that. Anyways, okay. Back in business. Quickly. We're not wasting a second. Wait. I gotta. Hopefully it hits a stray shot, hits the bunker. Come on. Please. Please. Yes. I have 4 guys just fighting with my officer. That's all that's holding on my attack right now. Yes, okay. A stray shot hit the. Yes. One more. This should work. Oh, that was bad, but okay. We made it. Quickly. 8 deaths. My deaths are going down. This is weird. this this shouldn't be happening. How are that okay. My deaths are going down. Imagine the next one's gonna be like 4. Nah, I highly doubt